In the previous episode, nima? İsminiz nima? Bu nima? Bu nima? Av nima? Mav nima? Nima üçün? Nima bo'ldi? Do you still remember these words and phrases? If you do, well done. If you don't, it's okay. Keep practicing and listening, because that's really important when you learn a new language. In today's video, we are going to use some words from the last episode. So if you haven't learned these words, go back and watch that video. And we are going to learn a new word. That's kim. U kim? U kim. Kim means who. U means that. U kim? Who is that? If you notice, we used u in the last episode for thing. And this time we are going to use for the person. So there is no gender in our Uyghur language. It's not like English, she, he, it. We use u for things, for people, and for places. U kim? Siz kim? Siz kim? Siz means you. Kim? Who? Who are you? In our Uyghur language, we have three forms for second person singular. And they are sen, siz, sili. Second person is second person, not first person as me, you. So you are going to use this four words as you. Sen. Sen you are going to use if you know somebody for a very long time, for close friends or relatives. And sis is formal way to call somebody. If you don't know somebody, you can call sis. Sli, you are going to use this word for older people. It's a very respectful way to call somebody. Sis kim, we can also use sen. Sen kim or sili kim. Who are you? You are going to say this if you don't know this person. So it's better if you use sis kim. Who are you? Man Dolanchik. Man means I or me. Man Dolanchik. I am Dolanchik. Man. Bu kimning? Bu kimning? Whose is this? Bu means this. Kim means who. Ning turns kim into possessive pronoun. Who transforms to whose. Bu kimning? Minang. Yak u minang. Maybe it's too much information and a little bit confusing. Let's play it again. Minang. Minang. Mine. Man means I or me. Nung turns man into possessive. So me becomes mine. Man, minang. You might notice there is a slight difference in the tone when man becomes minang. Becomes a. But just forget it. Just remember, nung turns things into possessive. Minang. Mine. Yak u minang. Yak u minang. No, that's mine. Yak means no. U means that. Minang. Mine. Yak u minang. Ha, bu sizning. Ha, bu sizning. Yes, this is yours. Ha means yes. Bu means this. Siz means you. It's formal way to call somebody. When you add ning, it becomes possessive. Sizning means yours. Ha, bu sizning. Yes, this is yours. Rahmat. Rahmat. What do you think it means? If you watch the other videos, you should know the answer. Well done. It means thank you. Rahmat. That's it for today. I hope you learned something from this episode. If you like this episode, subscribe to my channel and make sure to turn on the notification bell. See you next week. Bye.